and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Riri and I love BoxyCharm. This month, oddly enough, got a mysterious second BoxyCharm, so it's going to be a BoxyCharm versus BoxyCharm. My very first one of these. If you are unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, it is $25 a month now. You get 5 full-size items, and they are traditionally makeup and skincare based 99% of the time. Sometimes we'll get brushes, things like that. I love BoxyCharm. I definitely think bang for the buck wise, it is the best, in my personal opinion, sub box that you can get. I think especially if you're getting your feet wet, if you are a beauty who is just starting out with makeup, maybe have a grandson, granddaughter who's just starting out with makeup, I think this is a good option to try multiple brands, try higher end brands as well, and get an idea of what you like or don't like. So let's shut up and get on with the show. So I'm going to open up this box first. And you guys always ask me for the box number. This is number 18. And it is BoxyCharm Stellar. It tells you everything on here, but y'all know I don't like spoilers. So if you ever post your videos before me, I do not watch them. However, once I post my own and unbox my own, I will come and watch yours. So first up is foundation sample. A Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer, and it has like 4 little samples in it. I think that's because starting next month, they're going to start actually really basing it on our skin tones, preferences, and things like that. So that's pretty cool, and I really like most of the Pretty Vulgar things I've tried. Excited about that. And I have a little helper today, so as I read off something, he is going to let us know the cost. Next up is a Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in Date Night. Holy shit, that looks like mama's color, y'all. And how much does this retail for, my love?
$18.
This is $18, so there you almost have the entire price for the whole box. I just died inside, you guys. Ooh, it is a gorgeous, like burnt orangey, rusty red. Oh my, I'm putting this on. I'm putting this on right now, y'all. Hold on. I'll be right with you. Oh yeah. If you've not tried Dose of Colors matte lipsticks, I have 1, 2, 3. I only have 3 right now. Now 4. They're incredible. They feel fantastic. They dry down, but not too much. They do not break down like some other brands. I love them. This color is amazing. Oh, bitch. This is going to be probably a little sloppy. I'm going to be okay. Oh, yeah. It's like red, but it has like a bricky. Don't you feel like it has like a bricky undertone to it? Like a maroon. Oh, God.
Look like it has a magenta behind it.
I love it. I also love the fact that it's finally cooling down here. I look crazy as hell right now, y'all. I'm also going to start doing my unboxings a little different. I do have some makeup on, obviously, right now, but I really want to start being more in-depth when I do my unboxings and not just literally open it and show you guys. I definitely want to do the pricing, swatch things as much as I can, maybe do, you know, an actual try-on when I don't already have makeup on, so. Oh, yeah. Okay, horrible application, but holy shit. Also on my eyes, I'm wearing my Gourmand Girls chocolate palette. You guys, I've had this on. It is 9:31 p.m. I've had this on since about 10 o'clock this morning, probably earlier than that. And I was out with my mom all day long, had to do errands. My husband's truck was in the shop, so I went with him to pick up the truck. And it is still on. I am pretty fucking impressed. I do have a small discount code with them. I do not get any kind of money or anything like that from these sales, but it's DRain01 for 15% off. I love them. I do also have a video that I will try to remember to link as well, but and it looks so pretty with this. Okay, I'm excited. Already, I'm very excited. Next thing is a
BoxyCharm 2-piece brush set.
A BoxyCharm 2-piece brush set.
MSRP $35.
For $35.
They're lying.
They're okay. I would not pay $35. There's lots of fibers coming off of these. I don't think I would pay $35 for these, but we'll see. I've never actually used anything with this shape. I will say they're very, very dense, which you guys know I love dense brushes. I can't tell. On here, it's picking up like it looks navy. Does this look navy to you? It is, isn't it? It's navy blue. Yeah, they're navy blue. That's really cool. I do like the handles, though. That's really neat. They can kind of hold from right here. All right, I'll try them out. I think I would use this one for, like, contour. I don't know what it says they're specified for, but I use this for contour. And then I would use this probably for bronzer, or I think it's kind of too dense for blush. It's cute. I don't know. Not my favorite thing I've ever gotten, just being honest. All right, next up is a, not even going to try to pronounce it, a something antioxidant dew, a quench and glow serum from Kypris. Kypris?
Oh, no. I was looking at something different. Yeah, that's MSRP $90.
Holy shit! MSRP of $90. Oh my god. Okay, directions. Apply several drops of this antioxidant dew to your clean skin morning and night. Combine with our Kypris Beauty Elixir. We gotta check this out. It feels very heavy. I'm gonna let my son feel it.
That is dense.
That is very dense. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I wasn't expecting blue. I wonder if this is Greek. Does it say where it's made? Like, you know, Greece is like blue and white. So, oh no, it says made in the United States. No animal testing. That's amazing. This bottle is fantastic. That is stunning. It is very heavy to you guys. Like, very, very heavy. I do want to, I don't know if you, did it say shake it? No. Okay, so if it doesn't say shake, I just turn it upside down and back up just to not mess up, you know, obviously whatever's going on in here. It's sealed very well. It's kind of a cool, white, milky consistency. It kind of reminds me of my Pixie, the hydrating, like, milky mist stuff. Let's smell it. Ooh. It smells good. It actually kind of smells like Purity. It has a very, very soft, light, like, kind of florally scent to it. I'm very excited about that. Anything that quenches my dry-ass skin, y'all, we know I'm going to love it. So, that's going on this side over here. The maybe piles, they go over here, but my hell yes go over here. There's a palette! Ooh, this is from Dominique Cosmetics. I've never tried anything from them.
Celestial Thunder eyeshadow.
Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette.
$35.
$35. That is absolutely stunning. I have always wanted to try her. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch. Okay, I'm really excited. I probably will not use the pink. Y'all know I'm not much into pinks. I'm just not. Even though it's one of my favorite colors as far as, like, decor. Oh my god, but these right here, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm not going to swatch it or anything because I'm just going to do a full look with this. I am very excited. I've always wanted to try her formula. I've heard incredible things about the Dominique Cosmetics. Oh my god. Okay, this is going on this side as well. And then I see this is a Haru
Wonder McKee.
Wonder McKee Berry Antioxidant Sheet Mask. For how much?
$9.
For $9. I think they're pretty much for hydration. It says antioxidant and stuff like that. I do like sheet masks, so I think that's pretty cool. I'm probably going to put one in for my giveaway. That's going to be announced very, very soon. And then I'll keep one for myself. Amazing box. What is like kind of the average retail for that entire box? Can you kind of add it up just in your head? I'm really excited, y'all. I mean, I'm going to try the brushes. They're not really my zhuzh, but I'm excited about it nonetheless. So we're going to hop into the next box. Oh my god. I'm very excited. This lipstick is fan-freaking-tastic. Oh, yes, yes, yes. So excited. All right. This version, let me turn my head, is version number 6. Of course, it is the exact same theme. And we're going to...
total, the MSRP adds up to $180.
So we're looking at about $180. And I paid $25 for the box. That's pretty damn amazing. So I'm going to hand in this so that I'm not peeking. And we got the same... yeah, the same undercover little concealer thing. I'll probably stick this in my little giveaway bin as well. Let's jump in. Okay, first up we have... is this the same color? A Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in Charm. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, keeping that too.
Is it different or the same?
Yep, it's different. So this one is a much like deeper, bolder shade. Oh my God.
$18.
This is also $18. Again, almost the cost of the box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh yes, you guys. That is going to be stunning for the fall. They're nailing these boxes this month. I'm just saying. Move this palette so it doesn't fall. Next, I see a Lily Lashes and BoxyCharm in the style CEO. Y'all know I'm not lashes girl.
MSRP.
That ain't my judge. $25 for the...
That's what it says.
The lashes I buy are like $4, y'all, when I do buy them. So, yeah, although I've heard Lily Lashes are fantastic, I go for it when I do very, very occasionally when I wear lashes. They're like little itty bitty little wispies and stuff. I'm not going to keep them. Not going to lie. We'll put them on that side.
Girls at my school that wear lashes that are longer than their real hair.
Okay, here's another brush set that obviously I'm not going to need. It is really pretty. I am going to try them out. Again, it's not typically my style of brush, but they're very dense, which I like, so we will pass that along as well. This was how much again? $35. So put that on that side. Then we have another one of the Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serums, and that was $90. So I will pass this along as well. I don't think I would use up 2 of them in a lot of time that like the component to the product is still good. And then of course another, was this other one called Celestial Thunder? Yep. Yeah. And the Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics palette again was retailed for $35. So there is that. I am very excited. So literally only one thing was different, wasn't it? Or were they all the same?
One thing was different.
Yeah, the brush. Yeah, other than the lip color being different. Yeah. And having lashes.
Was the only thing different.
So I'm loving everything, y'all. I'm loving it. Yeah, super exciting. What do you think? I know you're not like super into like makeup and shit, but like I feel like the value and stuff like that was pretty damn good, don't you think? For $25?
Statistics are there.
Yeah. I mean, especially if this stuff is really good. Like, that's pretty exciting. I love this lipstick so much. Ooh. Okay, honey. We will revisit this. Let me know, too. Do you guys like something like this a little bit better, where it's a little bit more fun, a little bit more chill, relaxed, but then I'm also, like, really giving prices and being a little more thorough? Would you like for me to do these and then do an actual try-on with the products in the video? Of course, we all know if we get BoxyCharm, you're not always going to have a full face, but, you know, I can kind of go from you guys' ideas. So that is it. Thank you guys so much. I'm going to come watch some of you now. Luckily enough, I get my BoxyCharm pretty early in the month, so I feel like I'm kind of one of the first people that's not a booty guru to put mine up. So thank you to my helper. Thank you to you beauties. And yeah, have a great, great night. I love you beauties so much. Be your own best beautiful. Bye.